Hi, my name is Adonis. I am the manager of Weld Powertools Industrial Machinery. We are located in Diparo, Caloocan City. Actually, we are an industrial company. Particularly, we are promoting welding machines and other industrial items. And aside from that, we are also promoting agri products. And for our target markets, we're actually hoping that we can get markets from architects, engineers, contractors, general viewing publics, and all the attendees of the PhilConstruct 2019. For next year, we're hoping that we can have lots of buyers and attendees in these PhilConstruct activities.